Hello everybody, I'm back. So today's video will be all about tinting eyebrows, which you can do DIY at home. Of course, this product is probably something that you must have come across, and I'm going to be using the black shade. I did previously try the brown shade, but it didn't do much of a difference on my eyebrows, so I usually tend to get the dark one. But I have to say, I do not really dye my eyebrows that often because I do use a pencil or some sort of an eyebrow product. So let me show you how I do this tinting and see what you think. So today I'll be using my Eylure DYBROW in black, and it comes with instructions, but who needs them if you've got me, right? It also comes with the coloring cream and the drops to mix it with, and also a little spatula and a little mascara brush. And you're also going to need some Vaseline. This will provide a little bit of barrier around your eyebrows. Apply this just below and above my eyebrows. Looking nice and smooth. So moving on, I'm just mixing the paste with the activation drops. You squeeze out 1 centimeter of the cream, and then you use 5 drops of the activation drops, and you mix them together until they're like a paste with the little spatula, and then you can apply it either with the mascara brush or the spatula. In this case, I usually use the spatula to apply the color, and sometimes I do use the mascara brush to brush it through. Make sure that it's nicely evenly covered, and if you do get bits and bobs here and there like dropping out or something, then do wipe it off as soon as you can so that the color doesn't stain around your eyebrows. Obviously you have the Vaseline there to act as a barrier, but sometimes it still shows through if you leave the dye on for a while. This usually is supposed to be on for about 5 to 10 minutes, but I only use it for about 3 minutes each because it can get quite strong, and if you're doing this for the first time, it is always best to do this gradually, and then you can decide how dark you want your eyebrows to be. So maybe you can do 3 minutes at a time, and then if you take it off and you feel like you need a little bit more, then you can do it one more time for another 3 minutes, and then you get the results. So in this case, I'm just going to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to take my cotton wool and I'm going to be damping it in clean water and then squeezing out the excess water and literally swiping it across my eyebrows just to clean it off. And that is basically what you need to do. It's not really that hard and anybody can do it, and it doesn't even take that long. So it is really good and it works really well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and yes, hopefully you can see these results and you can see a bit of a difference. I hope my camera shows it all, and thank you. Bye bye.